What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an upper body workout, and if you can probably tell once you start watching that part of my video, you'll notice that I am not in the same apartment. We have recently moved, like a month ago recently, and the footage I recorded was from a long time ago. So I just wanted to make sure that I put it up there for you guys so you guys enjoy a workout from me. This was a Zoom workout that we did with my coach, so I hope you enjoy it. Like I mentioned, it is upper body, and I did some voiceover that I just finished up and realized that I don't have an intro or an outro, so it's like 12 a.m. My watch is probably dead already. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already subscribed. We post fitness related lifestyle videos and vlogs. So stay tuned for those. And if you want to take this workout with you to your home, of course, because that's where we are, or to the gym if you're watching this in a future that operates gyms, be sure to check the description down below. I will list all the workouts and exercises and sets and reps, all that fun stuff down there for you to screenshot and take along with you wherever that is. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy. Bye.
Alright guys, so I'll be doing some voiceover over my workout. So we are starting off a set of 5 sets, and the first exercise that we're doing in this set is a chest press. So I'm using this ottoman to hold myself up, but you don't have to. You could just do them straight on the floor, and we are doing 25 reps. The next exercise in this set is going to be a single arm row with a single leg raise, and I'm doing 25 reps on each side. So both the chest press and this exercise here is going to be completed 5 times. Of course, we switch the arms and the legs to do both sides. I'm using the ottoman here to help support me, but if you don't have that, you can definitely use a chair, table, counter, even a wall to help give you a little bit more balance during this exercise. So the next set of exercises is going to start off with this overhead pullover, and I'm doing it 25 times, so 25 reps here, and I apologize for the bad angles here, but the point of this exercise is just to have the dumbbell go behind your back and pulling that over your head and through and upwards towards your chest. So really squeezing your core at the same time and just pulling that dumbbell all the way through and feeling the stretch. Once you finish off with 25 of those pullovers, I'm just going to grab that dumbbell, hold it above my chest, and do some tricep presses. So again, going to do 25 reps for this, and just going to press up and down above my chest and really feeling that in my tricep. The last exercise in this tri-set of 5 sets is going to be an incline chest press. So you can use an ottoman, your couch, your bed, the wall, just to kind of create some type of angle, and then just pressing up and down for 25 reps. So once we finished that up, we went ahead and moved on to our next 5 sets, which will be of 2 exercises, this one being your rows. Of course, another bad angle, so I apologize again. This is really hard to do when you're like, filming and then doing a workout all at the same time that's being guided by somebody else. So I apologize. Hopefully we can get better angles. Also, this was a totally different apartment. I don't even live here anymore, but you can guess. We did 25 reps of that, and now we are moving on to 25 push-ups. I don't know why I took that long-ass pause there. But yeah, 25 push-ups, so rows and then push-ups. And by the way, you can always check the description box below. All of the exercises and the sets and the reps are all going to be listed down there as well, just in case the voiceover gets a little bit confusing or it's hard to follow along, or you just want to take a screenshot and just do the workout either at home or in the gym whenever those open up. The next round is going to be 25 deadlifts. I'm using this straight bar that I actually got from Amazon. Unfortunately, it is not available on Amazon anymore. I got this during the summertime before any of this quarantine stuff even happened, so I'm really grateful that I even had it. But you can definitely use just regular dumbbells for this if you don't have a straight bar or any other sort of heavy weight. Just some dumbbells will do. Once you're done with your deadlifts, we're going to do some leg raises for 25 reps. So it goes deadlifts, leg raises, 5 sets of that. And then we only have one more exercise left, and I promise we are done. This whole exercise, or this whole workout actually, only took an hour. So really, really quick. Even though it's 5 sets, it might seem like a lot, but it definitely goes quickly. Alright guys, so this is the last exercise, just 100 sit-ups. I know it seems like a lot, but trust me, it'll go by fast, and it's the last exercise, so you can totally do it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, as I mentioned, all the exercises and sets and the order of it is going to be down in the description box below, so you can take a screenshot and take it with you wherever you go, whether that be the gym whenever those open up or in your home. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. I feel really weird doing these voiceovers, by the way, so I'll try not to do more voiceovers unless you guys like these type of voiceovers. I'd love to troll myself during these times because it's kind of weird to just watch yourself and record things while you're filming and all that, or editing or whatever. Anyways, I'm done. I will see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.